Hello guys, today we will review this new Apexel 5-in-1 lens. So this is a new launch from Apexel, which is a HD 4K. That means the glass quality is very high. It's a premium quality lens. There are 5 number of different lenses are there. As you can see, 0.6x wide angle lens, 195 degree fisheye lens, 170 degree super wide angle lens, 2x telephoto or portrait lens, or it is a zoom lens, and there is a 2-in-1 macro lens which has a magnification of 15x, 320x lens. So we will see how they are looking like something different from the other Apexel lenses. As you can see, they are very big in size and looks premium also. We will open them and we will see how they looks like. So it comes with a case. There is a manual which is in English. This manual is also looking like premium manual with all the imagery and explanation how to use, guides, frequently asked questions. This side is same content but in Chinese. Let's keep them aside. So this case is very premium. As you can see, this is very hard and it is best for storing these lenses. It is a small red color flag which says lens, and there is also a strap which you can hang anywhere. So let's open this. As you can see, this comes with all these 5 lenses and a cleaning cloth. We will test all these lenses one by one. For each lens there is a top cap and a bottom cap. All these lenses looks beautiful. So this is the super wide angle lens. As you can see, it is a 170 degree super wide angle lens. There are 2 wide angle lenses here. These 2 lenses are wide angle lens, in which this one is the highest wide angle and this 0.6x is less wide angle. We will test all these lenses one by one. This is the Apexel new product, a 2-in-1 macro lens. This is a different kind of macro lens. Usual 2-in-1 macro lens where the bottom one is some magnification plus the top one adds some extra magnification, but in this case the bottom one is 20x magnification, and if you add the top one it becomes 15x magnification. So with both the lens attached, the total magnification is 15x. If you remove this top one, then it will be 20x magnification macro lens. Now I have detached the top lens. This single lens now becomes the 20x magnification macro lens. So whenever you want to use the highest magnification, use the single lens. You can see very high magnification. This is using the 2 lenses, both front and back macro lens. So you can see the magnification and the clarity There is no distortion on the edges like the cheap quality macro lenses. You can see the details on the body of this fly. I will suggest to remove the top cap, that is the white cap, so that you can go very close to the subject. Now we will review the 195-degree fisheye lens. Let me clip this. This is how it will look. You can see the fisheye effect. There is a black border around the image, so if you want you can remove that black border by zooming into you can see there are little distortion on the edges and small chromatic aberration. You can see that blue edges. Still it is better than the other fisheye lenses, because other fisheye lenses has more black border. In this case you can cover lots of field of view, very wide field of view. Now we will review the 2x telephoto lens. So it is a zoom lens. This is without the lens. You can see the distance between that tree or the buildings are half. This is without lens. With lens, without lens, with lens, without lens, with lens. You can see there is no distortion on the edges. The image quality is very good. Minimal distortion. And I think there is very minimum chromatic aberration. I cannot even see. Oh, that's a very good glass. This is with the 2x telephoto lens. This is without the lens. Now we will test the super wide angle lens, that is your 170-degree super wide angle lens. Let me clip this. So this is without lens. This is with lens. As you can see, it is very wide. You can see from this building to this small house. So if you remove the clip, you cannot see that house both side. So this is the widest lens from Apexel. Let's talk about the quality of this lens. If you can see there is no distortion on the edges. whole image is in focus. There is no blurry edges or no distortion or chromatic aberration. You will get a high quality image out of this lens. The glass quality used is very high. You can see similar glass quality in Apexel 15mm super wide angle lens that is also similar to this lens. So if you need only one wide angle lens, you can go for that lens, 15mm wide angle lens. So in this spec I love this wide angle lens. So you can use this lens to capture landscape photography, street photography and other kind of nature related photography. You can cover more area, as you can see from this building to that small blue color building. If you remove the lens, you cannot able to see those buildings. So you can cover more area using this lens. Next we will test this 0.6x wide angle lens. Let me clip it. As you can see currently, you can see that left side blue building and this side this building and some space. After clipping this lens, you can see some more space here and some more space in this side. So the field of view is more wide now, but it is not super wide. You can see there is minimal distortion and there is no chromatic aberration. As you can see, the glass quality is very good. There is a little bit distortion on the edges. As you have seen from the review, the lenses quality are very high, but the price is a little bit more for this quality. So I will request Apexel to reduce the price a bit so that it will be affordable for all. If you need any more type of experimentation with these lenses, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing.